Good evening.
That didn't work.
I'm old. I can't do any better.
Hi.
Hi, my daughter's criticizing me that I can't bend over.
I wasn't criticizing. I was just telling her, when you hit the red button, try to creep down so they can't see you, and it didn't work. So.
And I'm not very tall, and my arms aren't very long, and I don't think I can reach over, and I don't want to share my crepey arms either.
Well, hi, it's Tea Tuesday.
So happy that we are here again on Tea Tuesday. And Grandma forgot to bring cups, so we are still using our pumpkin cups.
Mm-hmm. I have a really cute Halloween cup, but this one over here keeps forgetting to bring hers, so.
I misplaced it.
She misplaced it somewhere in the house.
Or the garage.
Or the dirty car. Oh no, she hasn't been in the car in years.
You're really bad.
I'm just kidding. Okay, let's stop. Anyways, today we are drinking the raspberry flavored hibiscus tea. I know we used this one before, but I didn't have another one. This one is from Smart and Final, and it is caffeine free, and it already has a flavor in it.
And it doesn't
like
need
a sweet
sugar.
flavor.
Yeah,
So you don't need sugar. It's so good.
I never go there, so next time you go, get me maybe 1 or 2 boxes.
Yeah, but I really like it when it's cold. So to me, it tastes better cold. But
Well, I've only had it hot, and it tastes fine hot.
yeah, it tastes good. And then today we don't have phony food today. What do you know? We have bear claws. Ooh. And what did you say? What does bear claw look like?
Looks like a hand.
Looks like a creepy hand.
Well, it's Halloween. We're doing our Halloween, starting our Halloween things now.
But we do have some fruit, so we're not all bad, you know. And it's color coordinated.
We're all in with the orange and black and a little bit of red.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I think we're doing pretty good.
Yeah, we got lots of little things on our table, but.
And I thought everything looked really pretty. And I love these.
Look at these plates. They look like melted
Caramel, wasn't it?
caramel. Yeah, so pretty.
Yeah, I do love them. And I think they were from Turkey, I think.
Turkey.
Handmade, I think they said.
And then we got some white. I don't know if you could see it, but it's white and polka dot. White plate with gold polka dots. It's very pretty.
And both sets of these plates came from Home Goods. And we've both been to Home Goods this last week, and we're going to share our shopping haul there, aren't we?
Yeah, I didn't get it very many things, but.
I only brought 2.
Oh, you only have 2? Okay, so both of us have 2 items. Do you want to go first?
Well, okie dokie. I was really happy with what I got, but I didn't get much. I got this beautiful white pumpkin, but how do you say it is?
It's iridescent color.
And it looks like it's got a lot of purple in it. And it's just beautiful. And
Pink,
best
purple, green.
Yeah, and best of all, it lights up. Just loved it. I wanted to get something different, and that's why I bought this one. You really can't see it from the distance. It just looks white, but it really is purple. And I'll take some pictures and have a close-up of it, how pretty it is.
And I like the little stem. That's cute.
Yeah, they had some glass ones that twirled around.
Cute.
Yeah, but I just didn't like the colors. If I could have found one I
was
liked.
gonna say this is glass.
Well, they were all glass too,
No,
but they didn't light up either.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
so for some reason I wanted one to light up, something different.
Yeah.
And so I really liked it because I really looked thoroughly. And truthfully, they had some gorgeous ones that were blue. But I wasn't doing blue this year, and I wasn't going to start changing midstream. So maybe next year I might try to do a blue theme or something, because they really had a lot that were blue.
Do you want me to put it over here?
Yeah, go ahead and put it over there.
I don't know if you guys can see. It looks just like glowing white. I don't think you can really see.
Well, I'll take some pictures to show. Now this, they had two different versions of this, and they had one that was all beaded, but I was gonna get it, but when I saw this one, this was so much prettier. And it's got like a velvet feel to it, and it just looks so beautiful.
The nice thing is because you've got all the different textures, it really stands out instead of just being flat. Like this one, you know, I'll just show you real quick. Look at the difference. I mean, this is pretty, but it's flat because it's just all one.
Well, that's what
texture.
that's what the other one was. It was all beaded, and it was all one texture. And this has the velvet in it. And I think in the long run, I liked it better. And so they were both the same price, so it wasn't a difference in price. It was just whatever I liked.
Yeah.
And so I bought a pair of them. You know, I do tablescapes for two, and I will take a few still pictures of this close up so you can see how beautiful the design is and how the gold.
Oh yeah, it's
runs,
sparkly too when you move it around.
And I really, really love it. And
where's that one from?
It was all from
No, I mean, where is it made from?
Oh, made. Okay, let's see what it says here. Okay. You see where it's made from?
Made in India.
Huh? India must be the country to go to for beading.
Because this one's from India too, this Mackenzie Childs one. So
And it wasn't a bad price. It was only $10. For a pair of them was $20.
Yeah.
And I figured for $20, and that will go really nice with this beautiful orange tablecloth underneath her spiderweb lace here.
Yeah, so just a quick note that this is the tablecloth that we used on our fall, and so it's got fall leaves and everything, and I just took this $1.99 lace tablecloth from the 99-cent store and put it over, and it looks Halloween-y,
So I think it'll go really nice with these placemats, and I will actually put a tablescape. I don't know what plates I'm going to put with it. I'll have to look. I might go buy a couple new plates. But you know, I have so many. I might even have something already at the house. It's just the point, can I find it? Does that sound terrible?
Mm-mm.
Well, that's what I bought. I have a pair of these and the pumpkin.
Yeah, this is really pretty. I like this. Did they have this same kind of different texture and different design though?
They may. I just didn't notice it. But like I said, they had another one that was just total beaded. That was almost the same design, but then when I noticed that one, I said, oh no, I like that one better.
That's so pretty. I do like it. I'm gonna have to go to Home Goods again. I took a quick tour to Home Goods, and I mean quick because somebody was like, where you go? Where you go? That's why I do a lot of shopping online, because nobody can say where you going. I'm just doing it on my phone. So is that it? Those two items that you got?
That's all I got. And I got the two placemats and the one pumpkin, and I was real happy. I did get another tablecloth, but I'm not going to share it because it's going back. Because I don't know why I didn't remember. I had this beautiful orange one, and the one that's here on her table is much prettier. And why did I spend more money? I don't know.
Well, maybe you forgot because you brought it over here, but it's not going to stay here,
So anyway, the other one's going back. I'm sure I can find something else for almost what I spent for that tablecloth. I might even go back if they still have them. They may not have them, because one thing about Home Goods, when you see it, you need to buy it. Because their stuff does not last long. So if they have two more, I might buy two more, because it'll only be, I think, another $4 or $5 to buy two more if I take the tablecloth back. Then I get you a tablescape for $4 for if I had company.
Yeah.
And not that I do a lot of that really, but you never know. I might start doing entertaining at home. You're laughing.
No, that's fine. You can entertain all you want. Entertain away.
Yeah, because really with all this COVID stuff, it doesn't make you want to do things at your home. And well, we just make do the best we can. Can't do much more than that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And,
all right.
it's Debbie's turn now.
So I'm doing a pirate theme tablescape in the coming week. So I was looking for some items, and I came across. I have something similar, but it's smaller, and I wanted something heavy duty. So I got this. It's in a candelabra with the skull in it. And it doesn't light up like the other one I have, but this one, it takes candles. So I just got some candles and I'll put those in. So I'll have candlelight dinner with the pirates. So that's that. And then I got my cauldron. And it is a jack-o'-lantern.
Yeah, but the good thing, I know that I see the back of it, you could turn it around and not even show the jack-o'-lantern.
Right, it can be just like this, and this is really heavy duty, so it's nice. And this one was $14.99. They had a black one also. I was gonna get that, and then I was like, no, just get the copper. Copper can go with different things, so.
I think the copper stands out better.
Yeah, so I like it. It turned out really cute. So I have this in my display. You'll see.
You know, you could leave that out year round if you had it facing the back side, and just have a floral arrangement all year long.
Yeah, I could put it by the fireplace and.
Yeah, it would look nice next to the fireplace.
Yeah, I like it. And for $14.99, that's pretty good.
And what amazes me, that isn't on sale. That's their regular price.
Yeah, regular price. And I seen this on the Mercari, website that I use, and I was like, man, I like that. I want that. And then I want to say it was like $30, $40. I don't know. It was a lot of money. And I said, I need to go out on the street and see if I can find these things instead of buying so much stuff online, because they charge
So
the
much.
shipping. So.
Well, it's not just shipping. Home Goods, not that they have very many sales. They don't. They really don't have many sales. But their prices, even without a sale, are usually better than anybody else.
Well, and I think they probably do that so that they can move more merchandise.
Oh yeah, that's why you gotta buy it when you see it, because you're not gonna see it. It could be gone the next day or the next hour.
Right. And when I was there was a lady in front of me. I don't know how long they had been in the store. They had a bunch of stuff in their cart, but she kept pulling stuff out, and I was like, oh my gosh, I like that. I mean, I didn't see that, so it was probably one item. You know, sometimes they only have one thing.
Well, I was there one time and I had things in my basket. As I see, I picked them up, put them in the basket just in case, and then I found something else I just had to have, and something had to go. So I said, okay, one of these items has got to go back, because I do have to put myself on a budget. I can't buy everything I see, and you don't know if you're ever going to see it again.
Right. And so this one was the tag is here. This one was $12.99. So it was a little bit more than I would have wanted to spend, but it's a perfect size for the dinner table, because once you put the candles on, it's gonna be like this, you know.
Yeah.
So I thought that would be perfect for my pirate table. So those are my two items that I got.
You know, it's a shame you couldn't find some more of those stick pins you got me for the beads and have little skulls, and then stick them in the candles, because I could not believe how well those worked out. When she got me those stick pins, oh my God, they're going to be such a mess and hard.
Well, when I first gave them, she goes, well, what did you get these for? I'm like, I don't know. You can figure out, maybe add it to your decor somehow. And then she's like, oh, I have some beeswax candles, but I'm afraid I might ruin them. I was like, well, just try it.
And they didn't. They went in just so easy. I had to put no pressure on them. They went right in, and I did take a little time to make sure they were measured equally the same for when they were, in their candles, that you could put them side by side and they look nice. But they were very easy to do. In fact, I love them so much, I decided not to even remove them. They're going to just stay in there. Because I don't usually burn my candles like that, because I just don't. But even if they start doing weird crap, I'll just buy some more beeswax, because they looked really pretty with the beeswax candle. And I got a lot of comments from all of you telling me how much you loved them. Well, I guess that's about all we want to say today, right?
Yeah, this is, we didn't have a very big shopping haul today.
But we did talk about it a lot.
Yeah, we did. But we've had lots of shopping hauls of days and days of different places, so this only having 2 items, my husband's probably very happy with that.
Well, my husband probably feels I shouldn't have to buy any. I'm almost starting a retail store at my house. But, of course, I don't know, I shouldn't say this, I don't know how Glamour Ellen's husband handles how much she shops and buys. Because she must have enough to start a store. She has to.
Well, she has a pretty big house, so maybe she's got a room just of, you know, her displayed items and can
Well,
store.
she has a giant basement in her home, or a big area. I mean, it's a finished basement, I think.
Mhm.
But she's got shelving units. But it's like you're going to a store.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know how much she sells out and rebuys like that too. And I may eventually do that. Maybe use them a couple seasons and then sell out things that are not my favorite and then buy some new pieces.
Mhm.
Now, of course, I'm not going to be probably selling much of my Mackenzie Childs pieces because they're too expensive and I'd never get my money back out of them probably.
Yeah.
And
Unless you buy them really cheap on a barn sale and then turn around and jack up the price, like that little set over there, that Beware.
mhm.
I got it for, I think it was 60. No, I don't. It was either 50 or 60. I don't remember. But somebody had it on that Mercari for $110. I was like, these people. So I think that's what people do. They go and buy stuff on barn sale, get them cheaper, and then turn around and put them on the eBay or Mercari and, you know, jack up the price. So.
Well, I mean, there's some pieces that are not my favorite, and I might get rid of them down the road. But there's a lot that I'm never getting rid of, like all my bee accessories that I've gotten from. I mean, I'm never getting rid of any of that. All of it's my favorite.
Yeah.
If anything, I'm still searching for a bedspread with bees on it. You guys are going to be so happy. Eventually, I'm going to show pictures of my room, and you're going to see all these bee accessories that I own and have.
And she was like, "Can you find me a bee
I might have found.
comforter?" And I'm like, "You're not gonna. It has to be certain colors, and you know, there's this. You're very specific on what you want, and I don't know how you're gonna find that."
I was just going to tell you, I might have a way of getting one.
I would have somebody make it for you.
No, I was talking. I don't want to say where I was talking because I don't want it to go away before I can get them.
Oh.
But she says, well, a lot of times what they do, they'll bring in accessories, and they'll bring everything in, including the quilts, because I want a quilt, what I want. And so she said, we're having a bunch of bees coming in, I think on their spring thing, so I don't care if I have to wait 5 or 6 months. And I'm going to keep bugging. She said I could probably go to the company's website and leave comments how much I want one. To get enough comments, maybe I will let you know what company, if I figure out that it'll really help me. I don't know, but I really want a bee quilt. And if I have to pay for someone to make it, I might do that. But I prefer.
Might have to do that.
But I'm gonna wait because that could cost me $300-400.
Yeah.
And because they're not cheap.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I know we probably talked 20 minutes. You guys don't want to hear about my bee problems.
All right, well, we're gonna wrap it up today, and we'll be back here next Tuesday for another exciting, I don't know, shop, discussion, whatever we decide. Bye-bye. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy.
Bye-bye. I love you guys.
Daddy.
She's giving you the air hug. I'm giving you kisses and hugs too. Bye-bye, guys.